Hi there. Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. The third Sudoku in today's additional of today's newspaper, Friday, December the 18th, 2020. We have here the third Sudoku, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 1. And this will be 203 4. Yes. All right. Before I start, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's what kind of binary puzzle is this one? It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Number 1, here O, there no. Double 1, here O, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Well. Do I need to compare? That's the question. The third column and the fifth column. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, the sixth column. O, empty box. Empty box. O, 1, 1, 1, 1. O, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have an 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, we have 4 O's now in this row, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Alright. Do I need to compare again? Well. 101. Not the same. Let me compare. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Yeah. Not the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Need to compare. Not the same. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. Oh, wow. No, not the same. 011. Do we have a 011 here? Not the same. So I need to compare with the columns. No, not the same. How about this one? Yes. The fourth and the last column. Empty box. 0011 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have now 4 ones in the last row, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Yes, finishing 6 minutes. All right. We need to compare this twice. Yes. 1, 2. Yes. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic 1 with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you very soon. Bye bye for now.